Welcome back to the channel. Today we're having a look at this Pure Base 500DX and we're not doing much with it today. What we're actually going to do is remove the pink foam packaging that you might find in your PC when you order a computer from us. The reason we do that is because we want to protect your PC. We want it to get you safe. So what we're going to do is open this bad boy up, have a look at what the pink foam packaging looks like, and take it out, and we're going to have a look at what that process looks like right now. Right, so first thing we need to get started with is we're just going to rip this box open right here, and what we're going to do is just get this PC out as carefully as we can, and we're going to have a look at what this looks like. So we're just going to tip the PC upside down, pull it out, so those handles might get in the way a little bit sometimes. And there it is. So there'll be a bit of foam protecting the bottom when it sits inside the machine. What we're going to do is just work out which is the right way up. So that is this way, and chances are we can probably see the pink foam just there, but we do send you a little message in there as well, just to indicate that we want you to remove this. So there's our case in all its glory. So the message that we put in here is just please make sure to read the foam packaging. You can pause that, read that if you want. Pretty straightforward, there's nothing much to it. What you'll find is, in this case, the way we're actually going to take this out, or the way the side panel comes off. It's a perfect example of a case with a glass side panel. I'll show you how you would do different side panels as well, because it's identical to the other side of this case. So for this one, all we need to do is these thumb screws here in the corners are going to come out. The glass won't fall by itself. Some people worry that the glass falls out of the case, but there's some rubber grommets. So I can let go of that, nothing's going to happen. I can give it a bit of a shake and nothing's going to happen. There's some rubber grommets here that actually kind of fasten it in, so you do have to pull it off a bit first. It takes a little bit of force, and then you can get the glass out. And then you find your pink foam just there. All it's doing is briefly supporting the graphics card on this end over here, because they're only held in by quite a short PCIe slot in the PC there. So yeah, it can quite easily get damaged if you don't support these properly when you're delivering them. So what I'm also going to do is show you how to take the other side off, just in the event that you may need to do this. Now some PC cases come off with this method on both sides. So it's simple. There's a few thumb screws at the back. Sometimes the thumb screws come out, other times they are kept in there. So I just loosen that one up. So these actually stay in, they dangle in, they've got a little piece on the end that stops them from falling out. And simply slide that back, panel comes off, and then you've got access to the back of the machine. So some of the glass, so in this case the glass side panel, came off with the 4 screws in the corners. Sometimes you get it with this method as well. There we go, so the pink foam is back in there now. That is how we remove the pink foam packaging. It's very straightforward. You're not going to damage the PC at all by doing this. Apart from that, if this helped you out today, make sure to leave a like on the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if this helped you out, and we'll see you in the next one.